Welcome to Easy Piano for Singers. Today I am going to teach you a song called Draw Me Close, and it's in the key of C major, and it was written by Kelly Carpenter. We have 4 different chords in this song. It's the C chord, F chord, G chord, and A minor. And how we're going to put our hands together to play this song. As I have stated in my other videos, your right hand, your thumb goes on C, your pointy finger on D, middle finger on E, ring finger on F, and pinky on G. Your right hand, your hand position will be on pinky on C, ring finger on D, middle finger on E, pointy finger on F, and your thumb on G. So this is how you place your hands together on the keyboard. So your hand stays down, it's rounded, okay, and you're going to play the chord of your right hand together with the bass letter of your left hand. And you will see how many times in this song we have to play this. It would be together, we would play them together. That means the right and the left hand plays the first chord together. And then if you repeat that chord, you would only repeat it with your right hand until you have to go to the next chord. Then again, you use your left hand to play the bass note along with the chord on your right hand. Let's see how this, first I'm going to demonstrate it, and then I'm going to play it through once I explain how many times each hand has to play it. So, draw me close. Now we're switching chords. To you, 1, 2. 1, 2 for the G chord. Never let me go. 1, 2. Let's do that again. Draw me close to you. 1, 2. G, 1, 2. Never let me go. 1, 2. You can look at the sheet. I may be able to provide the sheet for you if you are a patron. And if not, you can look on the screen. I'm going to be writing these words and chords on your screen. So we have, I lay it all, and here is a F chord with a slash, which is A, and you don't have to play it that way. You can just play the F together, the F with the right and the bass F with your left. But if you want to learn how to embellish your chords and your songs, I have put together a course, a basic 101 course, and you can go to easypianoforsingers.com, and the price will be going up, but I have it as a special right now, so take advantage. Okay, I'm going to play this through from the beginning to the end, but I'm going to sing this in my key because the demonstration that I did, the key was much too low. And by the way, in my Easy Piano for Singers course, I teach you all the little tricks and tips, how to switch this to your key, how to transpose is the word. Transpose this song to your key so you can sing it so it's not too high or too low. And there's also a way to do it with the keyboard. but professionals actually just change the key. And then it's just very, very simple to sing. So, remember, I said that when you first see the chord, you're going to play that once with hands together. And then you're going to continue playing with the right hand. Going to the next chord, you play it together the first time. And then how many times you're going to play that chord, you're going to do it with your right hand. Okay, so you can keep the finger down if you like, so it doesn't confuse you. And you also, if you know how to use the pedal, I teach that in my course. That will help your music sound smoother. So, let me start, and you're going to see how many times I am doing this. Draw me close to you, never let me go. I lay it all down again 4 times. To hear you say that I'm your friend 4 times. You are my desire, no one else will do, 'cause nothing else could take your place. To feel the warmth of your embrace 4 times. Help me find the way, bring me back to you. Once. You're all I want. 3, 4. You're all I ever needed. Twice. You're all I want. 4 times. Twice. Help me know you are near. 4 times. Twice. Help me know you are near. 4 times. Twice. Help me know you. Twice. Are near. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, you can email me at easypianoforsingers@gmail.com. And please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any lessons. And think about becoming a patron. As a patron, you get free song sheets, and you get to ask me more questions during the week, and I will make sure to answer them. So it's more of a one-to-one. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.